Hey friends, let's learn Talk It Over by Grayson Hugh. So for our intro, we're just going to be doing upstrokes on the 2 and the 4. We have E flat, and that's just half a bar. So 1, 2, go to the B flat, 3, 4, go to a C minor 7, 1, back to B flat, to E flat, B flat, A flat, back to B flat, and then we're repeating E flat, B flat, C minor 7, B flat, E flat, B flat. Then we jump back to the A flat. We're playing that on the 1 and we just hold for a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's play that through. And that's our intro. Then we have our chorus. Going to be similar. E flat, half a bar. B flat, C minor 7. B flat, E flat, B flat, A flat, back to B flat, E flat, B flat, C minor 7. B flat, E flat, B flat, A flat, B flat, E flat, B flat, and we're going to come up to a G minor again on the 1 and just hold for a bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's just a G minor bar chord, and it's our chorus. Let's play that. And that's our chorus there. Then we have our verse. Let's do that, and we'll look at all those little fills at the end. So for our verse, we're going to be on B flat, but we're going to do it for a bar, so we're doing the upstroke on 2 and 4. E flat for a bar, B flat for a bar, then we're coming up to F, do that for a bar, G minor for half a bar, back to B flat, half a bar, E flat for a bar, A flat for a bar, and B flat for a bar. Stay on the B flat, do that for another bar, E flat for a bar, B flat for a bar, F for a bar, G minor, half a bar, B flat, half a bar, E flat for a bar, and then jump back to the A flat on the 1 count again and hold that. 3, 4, and then to finish that verse off we go back to E flat, half a bar, B flat, C minor 7, B flat, E flat, B flat, and on the 1 back to the A flat again, hold for a bar. And that's our verse. Let's play that through, starting on the B flat. And that's our verse there. From there we go back to the chorus, and then we have the next verse. Let's do that. So for our next verse, it's going to be the same as our other verse. B flat for a bar, E flat for a bar, B flat for a bar, F for a bar, G minor, half a bar, B flat, half a bar, E flat for a bar, A flat for a bar, B flat for a bar. Now we repeat that through 3 times, it's got the solo in there, and then to finish off on that No Don't Let It Get Away, we're going to do the C sharp minor, the F, and then just build up on an F7 for 2.5 bars, or 2 and a count of 3. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And that's our next verse there, so let's play that up to speed, starting on the B flat. And then to finish off, we're just going to repeat this all the way to the end. E flat, half a bar, B flat, half a bar, C minor 7, half a bar, back to B for half a bar, E flat, B flat, A flat, and B flat. And we just keep repeating that to the end. So just let me play that through once for you. Just keep repeating that through to the end. Now let's have a look at some of the fills there too. So fill 1's just going to be on the G string, 8 slide up to 10, and then play 10 on the E. And then for fill 2, and most of the fills he's got this weird effect on the guitar, so we're going to have B string 11 slide up to 13, and then just play 11, go to G, 10 slide to 12, play 10, D, 10 slide up to 12, play 10, and then play the open D, hammer onto 3 and 3 on the G. The next fill we're just going to play 3rd D, 3rd G, 1st fret on the B, and then go 3, slide to 5 on the G, and back to 3 there. And that's the 3rd fill there. The 4th fill, 1st fret on the E, 1st on the B, 3rd on the G. Then we have our 5th fill, we're going to have 11, slide to 13 again, back to 11 on the B, and then just play G, 12, 15, D, 12, 15, come to E, 13, and A, 13 there. Then for fill 6, we're going to do something similar again, 11, slide up to 13, back to 11 on the B, G, 10 to 12, back to 10, D, this time we're going to slide up to 12, back to 10 on the D, and then just play 10 on the A and 8 on the D, so a little bit different this time. Then fill 7's the same again as our first one. Then fill 8, we're going to do a bend on the 5th fret G, bend and release, pull off the 3, play 5 on the D, 3 on the G. And then to finish off, a little run down, B string, 3rd fret 2 times. 1st fret to G3, open, D3, open, A3, and 1st fret on the A there. So. And they're all our little fills there. So I hope you enjoyed that lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.